Hey, good day everyone. How are you all doing? First of all, Merry Christmas to all of you, and already in advance a Happy New Year. It's already this time of the year again. Last year there was a lot of progress on the frame. This year, I apologize, there was not too much of an effort on my side, mostly because I was busy working, not too much time spending on the repo, but this should change. The next couple of days and weeks I should be able to do more. But as you can see, the weather is not very kind nowadays. It's raining quite hard. You might even see it raining on my face. Happens. Yeah, quickly wanted to give you guys a quick update on how things are looking. As you can imagine, there was not too much ongoing, mostly because I spent time working and my dear friend was busy installing new heatings in the various houses. Again, business. But as you can see, we have our heating here, a bit of a fire, just so we are not too cold. And looking at the cars over here, also here not much has changed. The Evo is still on the elevator, the repo is still standing in the back. If we look at the repo, we have the frame on the left side that is now in. We still need to add these panels here, and that side should be done. On the other side, it's still the same state, it's still rusty AF, and that is his next priority at the moment. Now going over to the repo, also here not too much has happened. The last things I did, you can still see the negative form there for this part over here, just to make this complete again and stable, and yeah, having everything mountable. This is the piece that will go in there. That's basically from these holes over here. Still need to cut out this part here that goes down and getting welded on, and basically this side over here. So that's still to be done. Also on this part over here, I haven't continued too much. The part is still here. It's 90% done. So I have the problem that on this side it's going down instead of straight, and I was too dumb, or I don't know what to call it, but I was not good enough on getting rid of it. So, but I did get the input from a friend of mine last 2 weeks ago on the birthday party of my friend. And he basically told me, look, have a look on how others did it. He recommended me not to wait forever until my friend has time, because again, like how on hell do I create this panel? I have no idea. I know you need a bead roller to make these curves and stuff. But again, I'm not the experienced person. But what he told me is basically, hey, just go step by step. You can still weld things together, so you don't have to make the whole panel in a one, but just make it like area by area. That should make it a lot more easier. So guess that's going to be the plan. That's why I am more motivated than ever to continue. I hope that the workload in the beginning of next year will be a bit less on my side, so I actually have especially the motivation to come here sometimes in the evening after work and continue doing things. So yeah, that is the current state. You can already see I added the panel that should go over here and the wheelhouse cover with all these holes in there. Basically replace that part. I have the rounding. I still need to get this rounding here done somehow, and then that part is ready to be welded in. And also on the inside, as you can see, I still have the panel with the slope, the thingies, as well as the channel that goes under here. That's still there. I still need to weld it in. There was not much done really. That's still the state. And the rest, again, the repo did not change too much. Yeah, so again, I just wanted to give you a quick update. The channel is not dead. I'm not dead. The projects are still going on. As I said, I had some motivational problems which should be solved now, hopefully, with the workload getting a bit decreased. But I'm also slowly but steadily preparing to overhaul the rotary engines. So you remember the FB RX-7 with the blown engine, or not blown, but it just had low compression. So I bought a couple things like an engine hoist and stuff like that. So I should be able to take it out of the car, put it in my garage or my hobby room and overhaul it there. That would be my first priority. Second priority, my FD engine is still sitting here We still have the engine of my colleague being taken apart. So let's see. I might do it on my place. I might do it here. I'll see. But I definitely are prepared to take care of it in the near future. One small thing that changed, I'm just going over here into the back part of the garage. We basically now put up the welding table. So we moved away all the other stuff, and we are slowly but steadily preparing this space to be proper so we can utilize it better than just storage space as it used to be in the past. Yeah, so that was just a quick update from my side that I wanted to pass on to you guys, that you know I'm still here. It's still continuing. It was just a bit of a slow pace, slow period, but things are coming back. I'll do more stuff again. That is the thing I want to do for next year. You know how it is with New Year's pleats and stuff. So yeah, let's see how that goes. And for now, thanks everyone for watching once again. I'm looking forward to get some comments from you guys. Maybe you have an idea. If you have any tips, I'm more than welcome. As I said, I'm a newbie. I have no freaking idea what I'm doing in most cases. So suggestions are always more than welcome. And always looking forward to hear feedback. Happy to get your greetings. Also a subscribe would be super helpful. Other than that, again, I'm really looking forward to create more content again in the next year. Until then, once again, wish you a Merry Christmas, even if it's a bit late, and I already wish you a good start into the new year, and I'm really looking forward to hear from you guys. All right, so stay tuned, and I'm looking forward to hear you soon again. Take care, everyone. I'm out. Bye-bye.